thank you very much for being back here, Raksha. So you want to start with the S&Ps. Tell us what you're seeing here.
Yeah. I've already written an article just, I think, a few days ago about S&P. So there was the target which I was expecting was 3354.6, which was there and it's bang on. It's gave a little bit of pullback here. Right now, what I'm expecting is it will retest this level again, and it might go to the second target, which I am looking is 3373.50 here.
Okay.
So that's what I feel right now. The earlier immediate resistance.
How do you come up with the numbers? Is it a fib?
Yeah, it's a fib extension actually. It's
okay.
a fib. It's kind of a harmonic move. I'll just show you that point. It's kind of an harmonic move here from A, B, C, and I am looking here for the D here. So I've just extended this leg.
Okay.
And here are the levels.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the levels which actually I am looking for right now. But as it's already have made the high, a little bit of pullback is needed. A correction is possible here. So I'm just waiting for it. I am trying to, I'm just waiting for this breakout, this T1 breakout. So that is all in my SPX right now.
You're waiting for
waiting for the break. Yes, the test of this T1 again.
Okay.
Around 3356, near about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And 3339 would be kind of your first indication that something negative is happening. Intermediate resistance turn support, that level.
Below 3339, the buyers will lose their control, I guess, because here the sellers will enter in the market. So below this will be the sellers coming back in the market. So they might be pushing that price back down to the support range here. I'll just remove this extension so it will be clear for you. Here, the support range of 3300, this range. So a little bit a pullback till this level is expected, as per in my opinion. A pullback till this place is expected before going any further new hires.
Okay. Is this the most violent price action? You've been doing this for a while that you've seen?
Yeah, you can say so. But right now, you see, whenever in the market, when prices are flying so high like this, in this kind of rally here, since from the day of 1st of February, it's been flying high and high and high. So there might be so much of uncertainty in the market, like how high it can go. Okay, the sellers will be interested to sell at this point right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I'm expecting is a pullback back again, at least this level, the ranging level here, you can see.
Yes. Okay.
At least this level, I'm expecting it.
Okay. All right. So basically, uptrend, overdone, looking for a pullback and then a new high, or a pullback and then possibly a failing rally.
Yes. But if it breaks the support range, this of 3300, then I won't be buying at all, because this will be my bullish invalidation. This level will be my bullish invalidation.
Okay, 3,300. Okay, interesting. All right, so that covers S&Ps as usual, Raksha. Great looks, great numbers, and technical areas to pay attention to.
Yep. I'll come to my favorite one, crude.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So here crude, I'll just shift it to day one. Yeah. As everyone was discussing about the coronavirus, which has been hitting the market very bad, and every day it's coming up like a new suspense and new breakthroughs for the market. It's been falling madly.
Yeah.
Since the day it's been falling madly, and here was my support here, immediate support, and the target was here. I was short here actually at this level, 58. I was short here, and I've exit my trade here on the support level of 49.
Okay. Yeah. So now we're entering a phase of corrective rally.
This This price 51, as you can see on the screen right now, it's 2014 low. Okay, so this will be acting, and it already has reacted at this level. This will be acting as a very strong resistance here for the prices. If the prices
Right.
goes above this, then I'll see 56 and 53 again.
Okay,
Right now I
interesting.
am, yes, right now I am on a bearish side only. So I exit my position because it might pull back, so I'll get a better price to enter again.
Okay, so
And
you're not, because you are considering this a bear market, you're not going to trade counter trend. You're just going to wait for areas to start laying shorts back out there.
yes. And
Good discipline.
if it doesn't break this resistance and it breaks my support, then again I'll enter here, and then my target will be this range, 46 to 44 range. This range will be my target, or the low of the 2019, that is 44.
Okay, right. That was a low in January.
Yes, that was last year's low.
Yeah, a lot of bears talking about 33 or so. So,
33, only I'll wait for 33 if this year
yeah.
low is broken, not before that.
Okay,
I am
so
not expecting that low as of now. I'm not expecting that low,
right.
but mostly I think on 44 it might jump back.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
a great example of Raksha not getting ahead of the market and just what's the most important thing happening now, not, where could we be this fall? And I know I get carried away with Nostradamus kind of stuff. And really, Raksha, what do you think of this? Do the right thing today and tomorrow takes care of itself.
Yeah, of course. Because see, if you will be doing a wrong trade right now, we'll be crying for an entire month or entire week or so. So it's better to stay for a week and then enjoy the next coming profits. We are
Okay.
always doing that, and just a little bit of a thing. You can see the arrows here on the chart.
Yeah, is that your new technical indicator
Yes,
you
that's our
you
new.
tweeted me about?
Yes,
What's it
exactly.
called
That's
again? Boom?
Bhumi. Bhumi is a Hindi word. It means earth.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our indicator. Actually, it's a complex algo. It includes our square root levels. It includes the fib ratios, volumes, the price actions, and everything. It's like you can say it's an Indian bhel puri for me right now. So it's a combination of everything here, and the results are very beautiful. As you can see, it gave me a sell here. As I told you earlier, I was sell here,
Right.
and see the plunge it gave.
Right.
So
Interesting.
this is the indicator here.
Okay. So this is a proprietary algo.
Yes.
Do you let people lease it,
Yes.
or it's just for your subscribers?
It's anyone who wants Bhumi can come and mail us.
Okay.
It's just a second.
Sure.
I'm sorry. I told you that I got a baby now.
Oh
So
yes. Congratulations.
thank you so
That's
much.
that's a very long term trade.
Yes, it is,
Yeah, yeah.
and very profitable.
A joy-filled trade, and
Yes.
there will be plenty of aggravation. Okay, so just like the market.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
in very violent, it's a very violent elite way for me.
Okay. So I
Yeah,
know
I
you're a
was
big
talking
fan.
about.
Oh, go
Yeah,
ahead.
sorry,
Boomy.
please
Go
tell
ahead.
me.
Talk about Boomy.
Yeah, it's like we both were doing manually. Me and my husband, we both are trading together. So we
Right.
both were doing all the manual work, and also one day we just came and sat and just made all the listing of our whatever studies we do, whatever kind of research we have done. We have written all those on paper. Then one of our co-partner and friend Rakesh, he has compiled all our ideas into this coding, and right now it's actually working very good. And it's just not because it's my indicator, so I'm just blackballing about it, but people are saying very good things about it. And as you asked that it's a proprietary thing, no, anyone who wants to use it, even we are giving it for trial also, they can come and email us also. or
Okay.
you can come
What a
and contact
what a
us on
time
Twitter.
saver.
Yes, it is indeed.
So okay, so let me ask you this, and I
Yeah.
know it would be for me. Even if I had Boomi, I
Mm-hmm.
would probably, at least for a while, still be
Mm-hmm.
doing all the work manually or paying attention to the market myself.
Mm-hmm.
Have you let go using Boomi, or do you still find yourself attached, at least for now, until you really, uh, really ready to let go and let an automated signal do all your work?
Um, Bhumi is for the shorter term, like for maximum 3 to 4 day or a week of a trade. Okay,
Okay.
if I'm going for a long term, like if a good 10 to 15 days trade, then I'll go for my own technical analysis, right? But it has saved a lot of time for me. Just keep sticking to the laptop all the time. I remember working till 4 a.m. in the morning till when we were sleeping at 5, waking up again at 9. Now we have got time for a baby. Finally, we got something so that
Yeah.
we can have some personal time now. So it has
Yeah.
actually helped us a lot. We don't have to keep just scrolling all these
Right.
levels and all. We work on a monthly basis. We calculate all our levels on a monthly basis, and when if at a support or a resistance range, if that indicator is giving us a buy or a sell signal, then we have a strong confirmation that okay, let's go for it. Just like here, as you can see right here, it was my
Right.
support range. It just broke it, and then I just took it right exactly on the same point. So it actually has saved my work a lot. Now
Okay.
the rest of the part with this analysis part, it's my passion, so I just keep on doing it, just making charts and just playing
Right.
with the levels and all, just looking at the harmonic patterns. It's like I just love this thing.
It's
So
like
that's
being
what.
in the mafia, you know. It's in your
Yes,
blood.
sir. Yeah,
It's like
you
being
can
in
say
the,
so.
huh? It's
You
like
can say so.
you know, Hotel California, you could check in, but you can never leave, or you could check out, but you can never leave. So I know that you're following the dollar. That's another one of your trades. I don't know if you
Yes,
want,
yes.
we're
I
prepped
have
for it,
something for
but
you in dollar also. I
does it
have
look
something
like
for that
par
for you.
is coming? A lot of people are saying that 100 is a layup here. Do you think so?
I'll just show you. I have something for you in dollar because I am actually tracking it. See, do you hear the box, the resistance, this resistance level
Yeah.
98.48 to 98.32. This is a resistance level here. If it
Right.
breaks, it will go max to max. I can think of is 99 as 100, you can say. But in
Okay.
between that, this level is very important, 98.68, this level. So I don't think if first thing first is this resistance range, it's itself a very strong one. Okay,
Okay.
so if it breaks, then we can see anything above 90, 99, and
And you
so
just
on.
got a buy signal today on Boomi.
Yes, I'm just looking at it right now. It just gave me but it's on a daily time frame. It works on daily time frame, but it works better on a 4 hour time frame. So it gave me it gave me a buy here, and it
Okay. Nice.
for the
Okay.
resistance till this point. It's by here already. So right now, this white zone for me, it's a no trade zone. I don't enter in this white zone. I just only enter either in the red or the blue zone. This.
You know what I've noticed about what you're showing me with your algo? That a
Please
lot of
tell me.
people, have a psychological obstacle that if they don't catch the top or the bottom, they feel
Mhm.
they're late. But every signal that you've shown me that, and many of them worked out, we're kind of midstream in a move.
Mhm.
And what's the difference if you catch the top or the bottom? And
Sorry.
I'm self-talking. That a lot of people, if they don't get short or long at the
Mhm.
turning point or very close to it, feel like they missed it. And a lot of the
Yes. Yes.
signals that you're showing here are well after a move is underway, almost midstream, halfway through. So it proves to people that if you don't catch the turn, and you don't even have to catch the turn, you can make money after a market is even halfway through its move.
Yes, of course, of course. There
Okay. Well,
any
I know
entry.
you say of course, but I'm
No, the
telling you,
reason
you
I'm
may have
telling
felt
you.
this before. Oh, I missed the top in the dollar index, so I have to wait for a reaction or something to get in, and it's never a good enough price because you didn't pull the trigger at the optimum time. That
See,
psychology.
reason I'm telling you right now is I have been reading a lot of trading psychology books right now. Meanwhile, okay, I
Okay.
got so much of time for reading all those things. So one thing which I've learned right now is even if you miss an impulse trade, just wait for a correction and enter in that trade, because if there is an impulse trade, of course there will be one more leg for that. So in that case, yes, or your profits will be short, but you won't be feeling it. It's for the people, as you said, who don't like to be like, you don't like to miss out of any rally or any plunge or any trade. So right now, if like just like here you can say, if I miss this one, I again have this trade in my hand. So something or better for the people who are very itchy for the trades, they have to
Yeah.
trade in any sense. They have to have some profits, or they scalp, the scalpers, the
Yeah.
scalpers need these kinds of rally or these kinds of moves in market. They can catch it easily and they can trade about it.
Okay. So
So
really,
I
it's the lesson is there's always another entry.
yes, market is ever going. It doesn't stop for you, so you should also not stop for it. That's what I have. This the one thing which I have. I got a change in my trading psychology is it's ever going, and it's never too late to enter in a market. There is always an opportunity. If you miss one, don't worry. Just wait for it and get for the other one.
They're
In that case, you will
like
keep on if you
buses.
really like trading. Yes, like buses, of course.
Yeah, you
So
miss a
you
bus
just
doesn't mean you're not going to get to your destination. You
exactly.
take
If
another
not
one.
bus, you can go by walk also, but you'll go somewhere. So just don't stop for one. Like if I
Yeah.
have a trade
Take the
setup,
pressure off yourself.
yes, it's a trade. It's trading. You're doing it either for mostly for the profits, but for passion or
Not just for
profit.
the action and the
Yeah,
entertainment.
yeah.
Okay.
Of course it is
All
for
right.
profit, but for those who are for entertainment also, and for like for just they love to do trading, just like me. I love to do trading. I do trading and of course if I love my work, it will pay back to me. So
Yeah, it's
if
fun.
I have some setup,
It's not
it's fun.
work.
Every day is a new
It's
day
a,
for
it's
trading.
stressful at times, but it's fun.
Yes, it is.
All right. So tell me um, what it's like for you, say after maybe a string of two or three unsuccessful trades. What's your self-talk after that?
I just wait for some time. I take a break.
You
I
take
do
a
some
break.
meditation. Yes, I do some meditation.
Okay.
And then when I am fine, okay, see where I'm doing wrong, I'll just go and check that.
Okay.
I read some books about trading psychology, especially not how to do trading or other things like that. I love to read about price actions, how price
Okay.
has betrayed me on that level. Why did it do? Why did actually it fell if it was supposed to go up? What was the fundamental scenario? I keep on thinking about that. Then I come to a conclusion why I failed. I learn something from out of it, and then I just apply it on my other trade, the next one. So I
Okay.
just learn and I carry on.
All right. Well,
That's
key
my
thing
only
there
thing.
is break instead of pressing it. Some people take two or three losers and they feel they can't take a break because they need to get it back right away. So the key thing is take a break and reassess and maybe go through a little bit of a mental recovery instead of,
Yes.
feeling cornered and pressured to get that money back. That's revenge trading.
There's
Don't want
there's
to do
there's a
that.
there's a saying. It's my own saying that market is very powerful. don't go to take revenge out of it. You'll fall very badly. So just never take a revenge from market. Just wait for it and just wait for a good, perfect entry. Wait for a good, perfect move and then enter. It's just make it your friend, not your enemy at all.
I like that. Yeah, make the market your friend. Don't
Yeah,
seek revenge.
if you go and find this revenge trading is the worst trading and
Yeah,
most of the people fail just because of that.
yeah, yeah. The destructive behavior. So, we're getting
Yes.
some interest in Boomi. If you'd like to give people contact information, perhaps show your website so they could reach
Yeah, of
you
course. I'll just show
and
you my
get in
website.
touch with you. Of course, you could
On Twitter, we
reach
are all
Raksha
available.
on Twitter at RAKZ_27. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Nifty
So
analysis.
niftyanalysis.in is our website. It's a blog page which I've written about the USD JPY crude, the price which I've told you earlier. So you can find the
Nice.
blogs here.
Okay.
If you want to go and find Bhumi, just go on Nifty Analysis, get Bhumi.
Okay, Boomi.
Here, just get Bhumi, fill in the subscription form, and you'll be directed to our email directly. And if you want to email directly to us, it's numerical
Okay.
6 Nifty Analysis, NIFTY ANALYSIS @gmail.com.
Okay, great. And the website address for that, it's a
Website.
blog, so it's not a website, is it? It's a blog.
No, it's a
Oh,
website.
there.
I'll just
Okay.
show you. That was just a page.
Niftyanalysis.in.
Nifty Analysis here. Yes, niftyanalysis.in is the website. Here you'll get every information about Bhumi, about blogs, everything is there.
Well, Raksha, I'm so happy for you and your husband that, you're bringing up a new trader, a female trader that will shatter the ceiling that you've already broke through with other women in the trading industry. And I really appreciate some very nice looks again and hope that 2020 is your best year ever in every way.
Thank you so much, Dale. And I just heartfelt wishes for you and the same things for you.
Thank you so much, Raksha. So there's my Trading Warrior sister, Raksha Soni, and you know how to reach her now. And definitely a hardworking, ethical trader in my book. So
Thank you so much, Dale.
yeah. So everyone have a great Thursday, and we'll see everyone tomorrow for the NFP. Remember, don't just count your pips or whatever Boomi does for you. Count your blessings, and we'll see everyone tomorrow. Adios. Good hunting the rest of the day, and thank you again, Raksha.
Bye.
Bye-bye.